Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's all about beauty, glitters and bling. So this is the gift that I prepared for my mother as she was looking for some lamp, and her wall was empty as well, so I just thought that this is something that's going to be perfect for her, a lamp and a wall hanging. I got these mirrors each from City Stars, the local store over here in Kuwait, and each one costed for around 150 fils, or I think 100 fils. Yeah, I got 3 different sizes and used just the 2 of them. I will tell you later why. I wanted to make some design patterns out of the glue gun, and I did not have some parchment paper, so I just decided to layer the mirrors with the Vaseline, and I started drawing the pattern with the glue gun all over the mirrors. This is what I came up with. Once the glue has cooled down, I will just remove them from the mirrors, and this is why I used the Vaseline in the first place. Then I spray painted them with the golden spray paint and stuck them back to the mirrors. And I created 3 different patterns using the same technique. Then I took a piece of paper and cut out the circles according to the size of the mirrors and folded them thrice. You can skip this step, but I did it to make sure that the petals of the flower turn out to be equal in size. I took a foam board and used the folds of the paper circle to roughly draw the petals, and used a crafting knife to cut out the whole flower later. I had to hold my foam board in my hand to show you how to cut it because I was filming, but when you're cutting it at home, always keep it down and never hold it in your hand because safety first. Use the first flower as a template to cut the rest. Repeat the same steps to create as many flower sizes as you want. Paint them using normal acrylic paint, and don't forget to paint the edges. Now here is an amazing hack for your projects. If you ever run out of your golden brush on paint, simply take out some spray paint in the disposable plate and use it with a brush. Another technique to do the flower center is using the sponge brush and pat the paint in the desired area. Though I created 3 different types of flowers, I ended up using just 2 of them due to my design adjustments. I then roughly sketched out a tree branch on the foam board and cut it out. Then, just to make the design a bit more sturdy, I used crafting stick and glued them at the back of the board. Then I painted the edges with the same acrylic paint that I used to paint the flowers. Just the edges, not the entire thing. And spray painted it gold. When the paint dried, I just glued my flowers according to the decided layout. Then glued down the LED strip light I had at the back of the board. I used a high quality LED strip light and not just a fairy lights, as I wanted it to stay longer because my parents wanted to use it as a lamp in their living room. Because the LED strip added some height to the design, I layered foam board cutouts and stuck them at the back of the large flowers just to keep the piece balanced. And here is the final product. My mom loved it so much. I'm sure your mom would love it too, as if you make one for her. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about it? And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much for watching.